Hi, this is Canterlot Magic. I'm super glad to get this G5 Shining Adventures collection. We got it at Target. I'll put the link in the description. These ponies are about twice as tall as regular brushables. They're much better quality too. I highly recommend them. This set includes the main 5 plus Deputy Sprout. 4 ponies have brushable hair, but Hitch and Deputy Sprout have molded hair. I think they definitely look more like the cartoon characters than the smaller brushables. If you absolutely hated the smaller brushables, you should definitely try these. They're much more detailed and cuter. It retails at $50. On the back of the package, we can see Maritime Bay in the background. I think it's worth mentioning that the packaging is more eco-friendly than usual. All of these ties are made out of paper. There is definitely less plastic in the packaging than usual. Here's Hitch. I'm not crazy about the molded hair, but he looks very nice. At least his tail's made of hair. The hair in his tail is not bad quality, however it's not as luxurious as Izzy's mane. The color matches his molded hair pretty well. This Izzy is pretty detailed. Look at the engraving on her horn. Also, the face paint is pretty good, and her hair feels super luxurious. She's identical to Unicorn Charm's Izzy. There are 3 different colors in her mane and tail. This is Zipp, and wow, she might be my favorite from this whole set. It just shows Hasbro could have made a really good brushable of her. Excellent job on that mohawk. It's so well rooted and styled. I think this is the most detailed pony in this set. And she looks the closest to the cartoon character. Look how the wings are painted. They're painted on both sides. I don't know if you can see this on the video, but the paint is really nice and shimmery. The tail has 2 different colors of hair. This Sunny is very nice. I like how she has a little bang. They tried to style it similar to the cartoon's hairstyle. There is a different color streak in her hair as well. On the left is Reveal the Rainbow Sunny. They're almost identical except for the hair. The eye color is slightly different. This is what she looks like compared to regular sized Brushable. You can see that the tall Brushable is much higher quality. I think it's pretty awesome an extra character was included in this set. I'm not sure what character WD Sprout is, but I'm glad he comes in this set. He has the exact same mold as Hitch. I wish he had rooted hair. Look at his eyes. At first I thought it was a printing mistake. His right eye looks straight ahead and his left eye looks down. But then I looked at the promo pictures and it looks like he's supposed to be this way. Overall, I think he looks like Big Mac with a different cutie mark. I think the design team was a little bit lazy. His cutie mark looks like a turnip to me. I can't wait to find out what it really means. Princess Pipp Petals is very cute. I like how they used a 2-color hair blend for her. You can clearly see some purple hairs and some magenta hairs. I'm very happy that her wings look different than Zipp, just like in the cartoon. They are painted with a shiny paint on both sides. This is the quality we expect from you, Hasbro. This set comes with one hairbrush that's reused from G4. Overall, I think this is the best G5 set that came out yet. I think it's worth the price. The quality is pretty good in my opinion. I wish they did the same with regular sized brushables. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please press the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any new videos. We usually post every Wednesday and Friday, but this week check our channel every day. I'll be posting more reviews of new G5 toys. There are so many of them coming. Thanks for watching and see you next time!